Welcome everybody to Pharmacy Restaurant. My name is Loren Falsone, and we are here doing our third episode of MD at Pharmacy. These are my wonderful friends and my doctors at PremierMED. So this is Dr. Adam Langley and Dr. Gary Visser.
Hello.
And we are here to do tasty, healthy foods and add the sort of medicinal qualities that the foods provide us, because we all know that what you eat, you become, right?
That's right.
What we eat is medicine,
Yep.
right?
That's right.
Yep.
Medicine for the soul. Did you guys know that the word restaurant, this is extremely poignant for me, because in your life you want to make sure that what you're doing actually matters. So growing up, as a chef, I was like, what is it? I love what I do. I think people like the food, but is it really making a difference in people's lives? So later in life, I discovered that the word restaurant is actually from the Latin restor, which means to restore and make someone whole. So I was like, wow, restaurant is from Latin restor, and it felt like everything came full circle for me at that point. So just so you know,
That's
there's
good.
like medicine and food, like it restores people.
Absolutely.
So I love that.
I love it.
So today we're going to do a recipe called Pavlova, which is a meringue. You can do this recipe with agave, which is a low glycemic sugar component. We're actually using regular sugar here at the restaurant because we use these with the sugar and not the agave, but you can do the agave, which is a sugar that's going to be in a liquid form.
Cool.
So
Okay.
it's good for our diabetics, for people like that. You can make ice cream with agave, low on the glycemic index. We should do that one time.
That would be good.
Let's do an ice cream next time.
Low glycemic
Low
ice cream.
glycemic ice cream. Perfect.
All right.
So what we're going to do is I have everything measured out here. This Pavlova is a very, very simple recipe. You can do them at home. They have sort of a wow factor to them. This would be considered like one portion, but you can make them really, really big. Like if it's somebody's birthday, you can make a huge one and put tons of fruit and yummy things inside. So they're really a fun texture. We're going to do our egg whites into our mixer.
All right.
So those are going to go in.
Great source of protein.
Not the whole egg.
Very good protein, right?
Oh yeah, very good for protein.
Well,
right?
if the yolk was in there, you would never be able to make it into a meringue.
Oh.
So a yolk will actually diminish the fluffiness.
Healthier for you too.
Healthy, right?
Yeah, more protein.
We're gonna mix it up. We're using another loud thing.
Yay! Loud noises.
Put in it's gonna be loud. Okay.
Well, that's
so
good.
we're gonna
I'm excited.
mix this up. Prior to all
Typically
of this,
on high.
we preset our oven to 300 degrees, so it's at a low temperature. And we're just going to mix this until it gets a little bit full volume.
Okay.
So just have the egg whites in there?
That's just egg
Just
whites.
egg whites. Okay.
Wow.
So right now, egg whites are
Protein.
going. We're going to gently add in our sugar, a tablespoon at a time.
Is there a trick to making a good meringue?
Yeah. Don't let egg yolks get in it. Don't let any oils get in it.
No
Make sure your bowl is clean and oil-free.
Okay.
Everything's got to be without oil, without
Okay.
fat. 4 egg whites.
Okay.
And it's a cup and a quarter of sugar.
Cup and a quarter. Okay.
And then our flavorings are going to be a little bit of lemon juice, vanilla, and then some cornstarch, which is going to help it keep it bound, like the bound quality to it.
Okay.
That's cool looking.
Wow. That really comes together.
Yeah, that's like magic.
That is magic.
It's like icing almost. Okay, so we have our lemon juice. We have
Vanilla.
our Madagascar vanilla.
Wow, look at that.
We're just going to scrape down the side.
Yeah, cool.
Everything is a skill.
Okay.
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 It
never heard of
doesn't come. You guys are going to try this.
What's
It'll
piping?
be piping is to put all of this into there, and then I'm going to teach you guys, and you're going
and
to
cake icing.
a little pipe.
That's a piper.
All right.
Gotta pay the piper.
Got to pay the piper. That's right. I'm sure that's what they meant. No, you got to pay me.
I am the piper. Okay, so here's
All right.
our bag. Fold it over. We're going to add our egg whites, which are now meringue.
That's
looking
cool
beautiful.
looking.
Just
Yeah.
like that.
Gorgeous.
Wow.
Wow. That looks so
That
yummy.
looks so good.
Can you just eat that now or no?
You'd be fine, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Ham action. This is the only oil you should add. Just a little bit.
Okay.
And we're going to do it in like a circle. Around. Just like that.
Okay.
Nice.
You ready?
Go for it, Adam.
Now it will expand to this size.
Oh, okay.
So around and around. Good. Yeah. Keep squeezing. This is your control hand, and that is your push hand. Good.
Okay.
And so Gary, when you do
Yep.
yours, put it a little bit further away because this is
Okay.
going to get bigger, and so they'll probably touch
Yeah.
a little bit.
Oh no.
That's too close.
We're good.
How many
And keep your
circles?
tip up. Don't squish your tip into your product. Doesn't it remind you of like Twisty Tree?
It does.
Yours
Do you
looks so
like
much
Twisty
better.
Tree?
Yours is professionally
Well,
done.
it's fine. I think you guys did a really good job.
You have lines on yours.
You're so positive.
I think it looks
I don't
good.
have lines.
I think it's good, guys. I think you did really
Yay!
good. All right. So
I've cut a mini one.
just like a professional little note here. You
Yeah.
see how we have a little bit of product here. We have one over here.
Yeah.
Because if we have convection ovens, we want to make sure that we get some in every corner
Oh.
so that the paper doesn't fly around. So it's basically
Gotcha.
holding down the paper.
Okay.
If for some
That looks
reason you do not have a piping bag,
Yep.
there's a couple of options that you can use, okay? Some people can use like a Ziploc bag and
Yeah.
pipe it out of a Ziploc bag.
Okay.
Or you can just use the rustic sort of dollop, which is great.
Oh,
So just rustically dolloping your meringue like that, and you will still get a Pavlova.
That's cool.
Does one taste different than the other?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't. How's that?
That looks good.
That's
Oh,
good?
That's nice.
Okay. So now we're going to go into the oven. They're going to bake at 300 degrees for 40 minutes.
40
Okay?
minutes?
40 minutes. So I'm going to pop them in the oven.
No.
Yeah, this is awesome. So put
I'll
your
see you
timer
in,
on. Okay.
T
Go
minus
to
5
custom.
minutes.
Custom.
Wait, what?
All right. I'm going to custom, and I'm putting 40 minutes. Okay. So the nice thing about doing this is that I can run around the restaurant, do a million and one things, and then not be in the kitchen. But then all of a sudden my
How
watch
did you
goes
find
off.
your timer? Where is it?
Go to yeah, right there.
Oh, there we
There
go.
you go. I'm here for you, baby.
I'm
Okay, so the
learning
next
on
thing
my-
we're going to do, so our Pavlova is in. This is what it looks like when it comes out. It's so lovely and fluffy and delicious. So we are going to do a coconut cream. So instead of using a whipped cream like we would in the restaurant, we're using a coconut cream. Actually, we don't need that. And I'm not going to sweeten it because there's so much sweetener in our Pavlova itself that it'll be nice to have that differentiation. I just put this in the refrigerator just to help get the top, like that, the really thick custard, yeah, at the top. Isn't that awesome? And you can actually buy coconut that is all cream. I didn't do that because I wanted people to see that you can actually just scrape off this top layer. Do you see that? It's awesome. You can use the bottom layer for something else, like a stir fry, like a Indian, curry or something like that. And this top part that has most of the fat, okay, in it, which, tell me about coconut fat. It's not...
Saturated fat, mono fat, triglycerides.
Okay, good, better for us than
Better than animal fat.
animal fats, okay. So we're just gonna take a little whisk action to this and whisk it up a bit. Just like you would a whipped cream.
Okay.
So I heard it's somebody's birthday.
It was.
When was that? Like 2 days ago. That's so exciting.
Know, right?
So this is your birthday weekend.
Birthday weekend. We're gonna go celebrate.
Where are you going?
We're gonna do the Sky Flyer on High Drive.
Sky Flyer, okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dr. Berry. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Make a wish! Let it out!
All right. Thank you.
Yay!
That was awesome.
Woo!
Right.
And we could put like powdered sugar on here and make it like a little bit more fancy, but since we're going in the department of trying to keep it healthy, so try it.
All right. How do we just
Just go in. Just like break it up.
try?
Good.
Good. Yeah.
You try.
All right. It feels really light.
Yes, it is pretty light, right?
It's really good. Yeah, you don't need any sugar or anything else.
Right? You don't need. That's why I was thinking, like just having the coconut cream without sugar. Like we could have put
Coconut cream
sugar
is good.
in the coconut cream, but
Strawberries are really good too. Fresh. Wow, I like that. Okay.
That is excellent.
you like it.
No gluten.
So for people that are gluten free, there's no
All right. Thank you for being here with MD at the pharmacy. We appreciate Loren and Dr. Langley.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Excellent. You guys have a good day.
Thank you so much. See you another time.
See you guys. Oh, this was good.
Yay!
Thank you.
It's so fun!
That was awesome.
Thanks for watching MDs at the Pharmacy. Click to subscribe and leave your feedback below. Thanks and be well.